In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from Google Collections fast. Google Collections is a handy feature that lets you save links, images, places, and other content so you can easily find them later. But over time, those collections can get cluttered with things you no longer need. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to quickly remove items you don't want, so your collections stay clean and organized. First, open your web browser and sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Then, in a new tab, search for Google Collections, or go directly to the Collections page using the Google app or the Chrome mobile app, depending on what you're using. You'll know you're in the right place when you see different collections, such as favorites, saved, or any custom collections you've created. Once you're on the Collections page, choose the collection that contains the item or items you want to delete. Click or tap to open that specific collection. You'll now see all of the saved items laid out, usually as cards or thumbnails, such as web pages, images, or locations. To delete a single item, look for the three-dot menu or options icon on the item's card. This might appear as 3 vertical or horizontal dots. Click or tap that icon to open a small menu. In that menu, select the option that says Remove, Delete, or something similar. As soon as you confirm, that item will be removed from the collection. There's usually no need to save anything after this. The change happens immediately. If you want to remove several items quickly, some versions of Google Collections allow you to select multiple items at once. Look for a Select or Edit button at the top of the collection. After tapping it, you can tap each item you want to remove. Then choose Remove or Delete at the bottom or top of the screen. This is much faster than deleting items one by one if you're cleaning up a large collection. Take a moment to review your collection after deleting items to make sure you kept everything you still care about. If you accidentally delete something, sometimes you can resave it from your browsing history or from the original source. That's all you need to do to quickly delete items from Google Collections and keep everything tidy and useful.